Hey everyone, today we are joined by Meaghan Gibson of the Governor's Office of Highway Safety here to talk all about child passenger safety. Meaghan, why is child passenger safety so important for parents and guardians?
Most car seats are actually misused, and I think many parents and caregivers would be surprised to know that. So we want to work with our parents and caregivers to make sure that they understand all of the components of their seat, how to install it, how to buckle their baby in, and make sure that we answer any questions that they have. The right seat is the one that fits your car, fits your child, and you can use correctly each and every time. We try to work with our caregivers and explain that price point isn't really the consideration. If you can purchase it in the store, it has met the safety criteria necessary, so it's all about how you use it and if you're comfortable using it.
What are some resources that people can use to find more information on this?
They can visit the Georgia Governor's Office of Highway Safety at gahighwaysafety.org. They can get the information themselves and maybe spread it around to their community, and they can receive information about how to promote it on social media.
Meaghan, thank you so much for being here. This is so important to me, and I know many of our viewers. Please, everybody, abide by all of the child passenger safety guidelines on your website. Thank you so much.